Trust my vision, take that step.
Everyone was having fun. Nobody was sleeping. Everyone was up. We was.
Left side, let's clap. That's a great way to put it. So a trade school is like you already kind of know exactly what you want to do. Trust my vision, take that step.
What stood out to me was definitely the rapping and the skits.
Have you given any thought to what your career path might be after high school, Jalen?
Like, it didn't feel like we were in class at all. We were learning, but also having fun.
Said it was like also like really powering and motivational to like what you want to do after when you leave high school.
Trust my vision, take that step.
It gave me like motivation. Now I really want to start doing my stuff.
I'm officially a genius. It was so lit.
So I can get to the point where I want to be in life, because I want to be like something to do with chemistry. I want to be like a chemist, something like that.
It really motivated me to be something more in life.
Favorite part?
Honestly, when I had to go up on the stage and be in the podcast.
But you need to study for finals tomorrow and sleep, but they make you feel guilty. Red flag or green flag, what do y'all think? Trust my vision, take that step.